Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by sizing and holding the rope correctly because small changes affect timing. Once sized, stand tall and grip the handles lightly at the base. This lets your wrists drive rotation rather than your arms. Start with 30 to 60 seconds of gentle single jumps to groove rhythm and protect joints. Make sure to keep knees soft and land on the balls of your feet to absorb impact. Once you feel steady, increase tempo gradually and focus on consistent wrist-driven turns. Now focus on efficient motion to gain speed. Use small, rapid wrist rotations while keeping your arms by your waist so rotation is compact. This reduces arc and increases turnover. Make each jump low, 1 to 2 inches, to save energy and speed recovery. Once done, practice short bursts, 15 to 30 seconds at target cadence, then rest. Repeat to build neuromuscular timing. Also pay attention to breathing, steady exhales, and maintain relaxed shoulders finish sessions by dialing back intensity into easy jumps for a couple minutes, then stretch calves and hip flexors to maintain mobility. To progress, use interval structure, 30 seconds hard, 30 seconds easy, working up to 5 sets and increasing tempo by about 10 to 20% each week. If you keep tripping, stop and inspect rope length, knots, and handle grip. Shortening the rope or slowing your tempo fixes timing issues. Remember, consistent short practice beats occasional long sessions for skill gains.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.